Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your school community, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you rearrange or reorder the lessons in your school community course? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to rearrange your course lessons in school anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business with a school community, you can sell different courses, but sometimes the course or lessons are going to make much more sense if you rearrange the order they're in. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your school community dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my school account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to rearrange one of your courses, you're going to click here on Classroom. Once you do that, scroll through until you find the course that you want to rearrange. So for example, this one right here, and just click on it. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all of your folders here on the left. So folders are kind of like sections. And then when you open up the folders, you're going to see all the lessons that you have inside of them. So for example, I have a Mexican food section right here, or a folder, and inside of it, there's a taco lesson. And then here is an Italian food folder, and inside of it, we have pizza and spaghetti. So you can rearrange or reorder the lessons, and you can also rearrange the folders. And it's pretty simple. All you're going to do is just grab whatever you want. So for example, if I want my students to learn about spaghetti before pizza, I just grab the spaghetti and just drag it right up above the pizza and then drop it. And now it's been rearranged. And you can also do that with the folders. So I'm going to close all these out so that way it's not showing any lessons. So I have 3 folders or 3 sections, and maybe I want my students to learn about Chinese food before Mexican food. All you're going to do is just grab the folder and just drag it right on up, and then once it's where you want it to be, just drop it and it's automatically rearranged. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to rearrange or reorder your school course, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.